Hey guys, it's me, Jhay Anne. So today I will be doing unboxing. So this is a small parcel I received from Bebeecraft, and I will be opening this today. So let's go. The items. So first we have this Sunny Clue DIY jewelry making kit. Looks like this. Next we have these small beads. Oh no, these are big. Next we have some wires. Oh no, these are big. Next are this one. Like, wow, this one looks so nice. And next we have some tools for making some necklace, or it will be easier for me to do things if I have these tools. So let's check them one by one. I'm curious with this wires. Like, oh my god, look how thick is this one. Like, can I even like serve it? Like, I ordered like 6 different sizes of wires. This one is the thickest, this one is the thinnest. This one looks kind of scary. They have nice packaging. Next is we have these beads. Different shapes of beads. And this one is a nice container with 6 colors of beads. And then we have another one. We have a big eye beading needle, so it will be easier to like put the beads in the thread if it's too thin. So I will put all the information and the links below in the description box, and you can go ahead and check it out. So that's it. So those are the things that I have. So if you want to get free things from Bebeecraft and you want to share things and creations to them, they have qualification. You should have at least 100 subscribers. So you actually have to make videos 30 days after you receive the product. And you need to make 3 different videos, 1 unboxing and 2 videos doing your creations or crafts. So I will put all the information and the links below in the description box, and you can go ahead and check it out. So that's it. So those are the things that I have.